Did you know the difference between a good photographer and a great one is that a good photographer takes a photo, transfers them on a computer, edits and post-processes them, posts it on social media, and ends it there. But a great photographer takes a photo, transfers it on a computer, edits and post-processes them, posts it on social media, and also prints them. Printing photos actually has a few really good benefits. Number one, holding your photos just feels so different compared to viewing it on a screen. When you hold something physically, you get to actually connect with your creation, with what you made. And that I find is super special. It helps you be more critical about your own work. So that means that you get to really look and judge as to what makes this photo better than this one. And overall, that would make one a better artist and a better photographer. The most important reason why printing your photos will make you a better photographer is that printing is the final step in the cycle of making a photograph. So from capturing to editing to post-processing to posting on social media, and then lastly, printing. When you print, that is the final product. You get to actually hold it in your hands, and that closes off the process, the cycle of the creation of this photograph. Now this photo gets to live in this world. This art exists now. And I think that is super, super important. So this is the Canon Selphy CP1500. This is a compact, small little portable photo printer. Yes, this thing is a whole photo printer. It prints 4x6 postcard size photos. So let's quickly go over the printing process with the CP1500. All you have to do is download their Selphy app, which is free by the way, and there you go. It automatically connects to the printer itself. You can still make minor adjustments to the image before you print them. Things like cropping, rotation, some very simple color and image and sharpness adjustments. Just these little things. You can even add border or no border to the image itself. And furthermore, you can either make it a dark border or a white border, which I find comes out really nice. And last but not least is when you finish editing the photo and all that, you send it to the printer to print. As you can see right here, it is quick and most importantly, it is convenient. The photos that this printer spits out are actually surprisingly good. If you look at the quality of the photos, the colors are beautiful, they are accurate, they are punchy, they look just like the ones on your phone. The sharpness of the photos are on another level. Honestly, for the quality that you expect from a cheap, well, from an affordable option of a printer, the sharpness is really good because when you zoom in on the prints itself, they look almost perfect. You don't see any pixelation at all, and it just looks like an actual proper print. It is big enough to hold in your hand and to have a good look at your photo. Okay, so this is what I want you to take from this video. Print your photos. That is so important as a photographer, because if you look at the great legendary photographers of the old days, what you'll notice is that all of them print their photos, and that enables them to complete the cycle of their photograph. In order for you to do that, you don't need to buy the printer. I understand that not everyone can afford to buy themselves a printer, but I highly encourage that as an alternative, make a folder in your computer and collect all of your favorite photos that you want to print. Put them all in a folder, name it Photos to Print, and print them. Go to a Walmart, seek out a service that does printing and print them. They can cost like a few cents, but print your photos and experience holding it in your hands and looking at it, because that in its essence is going to make you a better photographer. And remember, photography is not always about what you see, but it's about how you see. Peace.